Hi kids, welcome back. In today's session, we are going to learn few things about double digit numbers, okay? And I will clear few of your doubts. Okay. What did I tell you in the last video? I told you that 1, 5, 15, 3, 9, 39, no? See, 1, 5, 15, okay. This is just for your explanation that 1, 5, 15. Though this is 10 only, this is 5 only. This is 10, this is 5. Just to explain you, it is 1, 5, 15, 3, 9, 39. Just to give you clarity. Okay, okay, ma'am. See, if this is 1 here, I will draw the similar one here. I will draw the similar one here. But since I have shifted the rods, no, their value is no more 1. If it was 1 here, and if I have shifted the rod and made 1 here, the value is no more 1. It's 10 now. Though we have added the same beat we added there. But this is ones, this is tens, this is 100. Once we have gone the here, no, once we have shifted the beat to left, it is no more 1, it is 10. Similarly, it's 2. If I add the similar 2 here, it's not 2 anymore, it's 20. This is 3. It's 30 here. The number we are adding it is same, but the value is 30. 4, 40. Fine. 5, 50. 6, 60. 70, 80, 90. Okay. If I have 40 with me, I have to do minus 20. 40, no? Minus 20 is this. Why should we believe you? This is 4. I did minus 2. What did I do here? I added 40, I did minus 2. If I just forget that this is my tens place, I added 4 here and I did minus 2 only, no? The same thing I did here, the same thing I did here. It's just that the rods are shifted. We have done this on a different rod. So it is minus 20 and it's 40 and the answer is 20. Means everything that we did on the first rod, same thing we will do on the second rod. Just the rods are getting shifted. Clear? Okay, this is, okay, if I have 30, I have to do minus 10. This is it. If I have 60, I have to do minus 50. I have 70, I have to do minus 60. Why, ma'am? 7 minus 6 was like this only, no? So 70 minus 60 is also like this. Getting what I'm trying to explain? 80 minus 30. 90 minus 40. Clear? Okay. So that is all I wanted to explain you in this video. That whatever we did in the first rod, ones rod, same we will do in the tens rod. Just rods will get shifted according to the question. Okay. I'll see you in the next video with some questions so that you get better clarity. Okay. See you. Bye bye.